Hello guys, Romeo over here, and today we're gonna be doing this. We're gonna be doing our very first survival map. I'm gonna make this map bigger map, but guys, I'm not that good at building house. Okay. Okay, so let's get started. First, we need to chop down some trees to get some items. Then I will go dig up. I will go taking some minerals. Guys, note, I'm not good at building house. So guys, leave a suggestion. What will I do in this survival map? Okay. I wonder where do I want to dig? Okay, near my house. Oh, no. I need. By the way, guys, I will turn on the difficulty when the third day comes in the Minecraft third day. Okay. Then we need to find a digging spot. Nice map. This is not very good map. So we're surrounded by a sea. Okay, this map by this place is perfect. I'm gonna go staircase downward. Okay. Hey, we found some cobblestone. Oh yes. We found some nice coal over here. Easy coal. Well, let's dig up the coal. By the way guys, if you want to see me destroy the destroy mobs with TNT, please press that like button, because I'm doing that in the next video when I get maybe 3 likes. I'm gonna destroy some mobs with TNT when I got 3 likes from you. Okay, the goal is 9 up, then we should take a little bit more. Oh jeez, okay, we need to chop down some wood, so we will run out of resources. First I need to mark this place. By the way guys, if you want to see me destroy some creation mobs with TNT or with TNT mods, press that like button. If I get 3 likes, I will do that in the next video. Oh no, my pickaxe broke. Punch. Get some. No, chicken, come back here. Okay. Where's the. Okay. Found my crafting table. And I will make this and this. And also this one. Okay. By the way, guys, I will make this map a little bit redstone, redstone powered, a little bit automatic because I don't want manual. So let's start digging again. Oh, I need to make crafting table. Okay. Chop down some wood and I make crafting table. Then we need to dig again. Because I can find any natural cave. So I'm digging my own. But I know it's a waste of time, but you can find any natural caves. Sorry guys. Oh no, it's dark. I need to make some torches. Hi guys. If you want to see me destroying some creation mobs with TNT or TNT mods, please press that like button. Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome videos like this, like my own first survival. This is my first survival, so hope you like it guys. Bye.